In this video, we'll walk you through essential maintenance practices and guide you on how to purchase replacement parts to keep your machine running smoothly. Your machine is equipped with Glassmaster ductboard cutting blades constructed from high-quality, factory-hardened spring steel for durability and long-term wear resistance. While the blades are built to last, they will eventually dull and need replacement. Sharpening is not recommended, as it can soften the metal and significantly reduce blade lifespan. When replacing blades, always refer to the blade setup and adjustment procedures outlined in the manual. Different models take different blades, so ensure you have the correct model number when placing your order. Fiberglass is highly abrasive and may eventually wear down the non-skid coating on the top drive rollers. If this happens, replacement drive materials and adhesive are available from CertainTeed Machine Works. Your replacement materials will include installation instructions to restore the drive rollers to optimal condition. Periodically remove the left end cover to inspect the drive chain and sprockets for alignment and wear. If a sprocket becomes loose, realign it and tighten securely. Clear any excess fiberglass buildup from the drive area, including chains and sprockets, to prevent wear. Do not lubricate chains or sprockets. Oily substances attract fiberglass and will accelerate wear. By following these maintenance steps and using original replacement parts, you'll extend the life of your machine and maintain its peak performance. To order replacement parts, including cutting blades and drive materials, contact CertainTeed Machine Works